Hi guys, and welcome to my channel. This season a gift I got myself was a beauty box subscription. I have been obsessively watching other people unbox these beautiful things, and when I finally got them I thought, heck, I'm gonna share it too. Today I have for you the Glossybox, which is a £13.25 monthly subscription. Each month you get 5 to 6 mix of a sample or full-size product for you to test out. This gorgeous box is their special Christmas edition and the design is by Dusty Boy. Inside pattern is also beautiful, mint color. You get a leaflet which describes in detail what you have in the box and also a sneak preview for next month. I've seen some of the things inside, but you never know what you will get in the end. Packaging is cute with a little bow, as you see, but usually those are all in pink. Baby, it's cold outside and it's Glossybox time. The box contains these pretty worms in gold, which I will be reusing for gifts. First up is Super Duper Rich and Creamy Shea Butter Body Wash. This is a sample, not a full-size product. I will be using it because it is practical. Contains no parabens, mineral oils or sulfates. Cruelty-free. Smells a little bit of vanilla. Look at that, we have a treat which is not part of the usual boxes. I think it's because it's Christmas. That's nice. Raffaello is a popular coconut dessert. Next up is a lippy Lacquer & Co. It's the brand Cloud Lips and that is the shade Daydream. Full size retailing at $12.70. I love the rose gold packaging they have going on. And look at that color! This can fit any skin tone, lighter, fair ones or olive skin, doesn't matter. It will look gorgeous. Moving on to the next, which is now Bay Equilibria Gel to Milk Cleanser. This is also a full-size product which retails at £15.99. This will take a while to finish. Next up is 3D Lash Primer by Model Co. I think this is very practical as whenever you go out, the least you do is put on mascara. This conditions lashes and thickens them in preparation for mascara for noticeably longer and fuller lashes. Again, full-size product, which is £7. And last but not least, we have Revlon Nail Varnish, which is again full-size, obviously, retailing at almost £7 again. Now I think they knew I needed some color on my nails, as you see yourself, so I'll be using this also. This shade is called Valentine or the number 730. I'm really happy with what I got this Christmas from Glossybox. This was my very first Glossybox, and because of that I had the chance to enter a special code which gave me the opportunity to get another Mystery Santa additional box, which if it gets to me at all, I will be reviewing again on this channel. If you like this video, let me know, tell me what you think, what you wanna know, and if you want to see more, stick around.